Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's recipe is this very beautiful and delicious fish sauce. This is vegetable fish sauce. It was so nice and delicious, and I know you would like to know how I made it. This is very easy to make and it tastes so very good. Keep watching to know how I made it. For this recipe, I'll be using some mackerel. I boiled it with some seasoning, ginger, garlic and pepper soup spices and some salt as well. Then I have my leafy green vegetables, and then my tomatoes, my onions, my scotch bonnet and crayfish. Then I have my salt and seasoning and my palm oil. So I'll be adding some palm oil to a pot, and then I'll saute my onions and my scotch bonnet in the palm oil. I'll just fry it a little bit till it's fragrant. So once I've achieved that, I'll go in now and add my diced tomatoes up. Then I'll go ahead and fry this as well till the water content of the tomato reduces and it is all flavorful and fragrant. So once I've achieved that, and I'll go ahead now and add my crayfish, stir that in as well, and for the flavors to mix in together thoroughly. Then next I'll be adding my deboned fish. I've already deboned that and pieces it, so I'll add that and then stir everything in. And then lastly, I added a little bit of fish stock. I didn't get a video of that. I added the fish stock, and then I'll be adding some salt. I'll stir everything together to combine thoroughly, and then I'll be adding some seasoning cubes as well. Stir it all in to combine. And lastly, I'll be going in with my green vegetables. This is the vegetable we call green here in Nigeria. You can use ugu or any other vegetable you have. Then I'll add that and stir it in to combine thoroughly. I'm doing this on low heat, so I will thoroughly combine the vegetables with the sauce till it is well combined. And this is it. Our sauce is ready. Just within 10 minutes you are done with this. See how beautiful it looks. The vegetable is still green, the peppers and tomatoes are still red, like everything is fresh and delicious. So I had this with some boiled plantain and boiled yam, and this is deliciousness. You need to try out this fish sauce. It is so very good. And then I served it with some freshly squeezed orange juice. I hope you enjoyed this video and you give it a try. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please kindly do that. See you in my next video. Bye.